Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of project management tools out there? You're not alone. From Trello to Asana, there's a seemingly endless list, each promising to revolutionize your workflow. But with all these options, a crucial question often gets buried. How much does it actually cost? Today, we're diving deep into ClickUp, a popular all-in-one platform boasting features like task management, communication tools, and integrations galore. But there's one aspect that can make or break your decision: pricing. So, the question on everyone's mind, does ClickUp charge per workspace, or are you stuck paying per user? Let's take a moment to understand what a workspace even is within ClickUp. Think of it as your central hub, a digital office where you and your team collaborate on projects. Workspaces can be tailored to specific needs, allowing you to create different departments, client projects, or even personal workflows. Now, back to the burning question. Breathe easy, because ClickUp thankfully doesn't charge per workspace. That's right, you can create as many workspaces as your organizational heart desires without any additional fees on their core plans. This is a major advantage compared to some competitors who nickel and dime you for each additional workspace. But hold on a second, this doesn't mean ClickUp is completely free. They offer a tiered pricing structure with varying features and, you guessed it, costs associated with each tier. Here's where things get interesting. The free forever plan. ClickUp shines with its generous free plan. It allows unlimited members, which is fantastic for small teams or personal use. You get access to core features like task lists, Kanban boards, and basic document collaboration. It's a perfect way to test the waters and see if ClickUp fits your needs. Paid plans. Now, if you crave more advanced functionalities, ClickUp offers several paid plans. These introduce features like increased storage space, time tracking, custom fields, and advanced automation. The key thing to remember here is that the cost is per user, per month. So, the number of workspaces you create doesn't affect the price as long as the number of users remains constant. Here's a quick breakdown of the paid plans. Keep in mind, pricing can change, so check ClickUp's website for the latest information. Unlimited plan. This plan bumps up storage and removes some limitations of the free plan for a reasonable price per user. Business plan. Take it a step further with features like mind maps, custom roles, and advanced reporting. Business Plus plan. This top tier unlocks the full potential of ClickUp with priority support, increased automation capabilities, and even email addresses for your workspace. ClickUp's pricing structure offers flexibility. You can create as many workspaces as needed without breaking the bank on the free plan. Upgrading to a paid plan only increases the cost based on the number of users you add. This makes it a scalable solution, allowing you to adjust your plan as your team grows. The choice is yours. So, is ClickUp a friend or foe to your wallet? It depends on your needs. The free plan is an excellent starting point, and the paid plans offer a wealth of features at a competitive price per user. Ultimately, the decision comes down to the size of your team, the complexity of your projects, and your budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.